Hey, so welcome back to North Fork. I'm Derek. Thanks for joining us today. So, it might be a quick video, I'm not sure, but we're going to try to get the loader fired up and move a little bit of dirt that we've hauled in. Last week, the end of last week, we had quite a bit of rain, 2 or 3 inches last week, and so that low spot that I'm trying to fill in with dirt is kind of filled up with water a little bit. But past couple of days, it's been pretty dry, not much humidity, so that dried out enough that I think I can get in there and push some dirt around. And tomorrow they're calling for rain, so hopefully I can get this smoothed out a little bit before the rain comes again. So if I can't get the loader, if it's not going to work with the loader, then I'll try to use the backhoe. But I'd like to use the loader. Haven't used that yet this year, so we'll try to get it fired up and see what we can get done. I did a couple videos ago. I did put the nice little surprise that we found in there, the 5-foot long black snake skin. So I haven't checked it out yet, but we got to take the battery charger off, the solar battery charger, and so we'll see what's in there. Maybe we'll be surprised again. So let's see what we can get done. Can you take it to the house, actually?
Yeah, can I go with it?
Not on the loader.
Why?
You don't have hearing protection. It's loud. There's no muffler. So I had that solar battery charger on there, but it doesn't seem like it wants to start. It seems like the batteries are dead, so I'm going to go grab a multimeter, maybe bring the truck down, see if we can figure out what's going on. Alright, so change of plans. I'm not going to work on the loader right now. It's after 7 o'clock this evening, and I just want to get this done before it rains. Try to get this smoothed out, so I'm just going to grab the backhoe, go down there and push some dirt around, see if I can get it smoothed out enough that it doesn't create a big pond. And then I can work on the loader later, so see if we can, well, I know the backhoe will start, but let's see what we can get done. Alright, so that didn't really work too well. It's still muddy down underneath. Like I said, we had 3 inches of rain last week, and so it's just still too muddy. Even with full drive in the backhoe, I was still spinning and sinking down in too much. So I'm just going to give up on it. I'll get the loader fixed here coming up this week and use that. That's where the loader is better than a backhoe with tires. Loader's got track, so it spreads all that weight out across the larger surface area. The backhoe just sinks down in right with the tires. So yeah, we'll get the loader batteries charged up and try it again next time. So didn't get a whole lot done tonight, but thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Who wants to push?
Wait. I want push.
You going to try? Can you still get in?
Asher, you're next. Hey, why you going so high?
You want high?
Good, that's good.
Ready?
Good, yeah. Yes, that's good.
He's all right.